SRS Project Overview. The SRS project I chose was Microsoft Teams. Teams is a cloud collaboration and communication platform. This is the system vision for Teams. We can see how Teams will interact with external actors, like how Teams will help employees collaborate and have meetings using video calls, how Teams will help educators communicate and share files with students, and how Teams will help students attend class from home. Teams also does much more. The stakeholder I'm going to be focusing on for the rest of the overview is IT administrators. Goal model. One of the goals of an IT admin are managing user access and identity. This goal can be achieved by splitting it into sub-goals like enforcing secure authentication, managing admin roles and permissions, and controlling guest access. Another goal is configuring collaboration and communication. This can be achieved by managing messaging and meeting policies. Another goal is governing teams and channels. This can be split into controlling who can create teams, enforcing naming conventions, and applying labels for privacy and security. Another goal is protecting data and enforcing compliance. This can be split into applying retention policies, so how long people can retain data, and implementing data loss prevention. Non-functioning requirements. An IT admin will require the system to have security requirements, like supporting strong authentication, providing encryption for data, and audit logging. Another requirement is reliability. The service should have a 99.9% uptime or higher. Some other requirements are manageable requirements, like providing admin tools, supporting automation, and providing real-time monitoring. Some other requirements are usability requirements, like an admin table should be easy to navigate, and policy assignment should be easy to implement. Some questions to clarify with the stakeholder are which external systems need to be integrated with Teams, such as SharePoint or other third-party apps? What regulatory standards that Teams must comply with, like HIPAA or GDPR? And what identification provider method needs to be used, like Azure AD. Self reflection. For strengths, I think I got the right information down and like gathered the necessary information. For weaknesses, I don't think I did that well for the use case diagram. I think I could have done better on that. It, the hardest part on it, of the project was getting the right information to like know what was the right information. It was hard to figure out what was good information to put down. Reflect. I think the most useful part of the SRS was the system vision, as it tells you what the system should do and how it will affect other stakeholders. What I do better is communicate better with the group. Some of us didn't know what we were doing, like which parts we had to do. So I try and clarify that earlier. So people did other people's work, what other people said they were going to do. So we had to change it, and some people came late. I changed that next time. And this is the end of the presentation.